Hi everyone, welcome to the job opening series episode 8. This time we are going to see the openings for designers who are having experience of around 1 to 2 years at least. So, yeah, let me share my screen and show you them. So the first two openings at Big Som. So they have the full-time designer UX/UI designer opening. You can check what they are looking for and then apply for the same. So here is I'll give the links in description. You can check them. So they have the working days of 6 days a week. And the next opening is at PRXP Technologies. They have the openings. Again, they have mentioned their CTC as well. They need the experience of 0 to 1 years. The opening is in Internship. You can check them. You need to apply that by 31st of July 24. And the next opening is at Mintra. They have a lot of openings they are also driving off-campus drive in Bangalore. You can check them and see their experience is 0 to 2 years. So you can check the vacancies. They have around 20 vacancies and you can go for the off-campus drive if you are interested. And the next one is visual designer opening at Brand Science Advertising LLP. They have mentioned their CTC around from 3 to 3.6 LPA and experience is 0 to 2 years. We need to apply that by 21st of July 24. And the next opening is same from Brand Science. They have the opening posted on LinkedIn also. You can apply from there. There is 0 applicants for this in LinkedIn. You can apply from there if you have a good profile of LinkedIn. And the next one is sorry, not this. Yeah. And the next one is they have the internship opening at Smart Food Safe Solutions. They need around 0 to 1 years of experience at least. So you can apply for this. They have the current opening at Bangalore. And the next opening is at, you need to apply through the mncjobs.india. So this is a different website altogether. You can check the websites and see the job openings related to UX UI in there as well. So they have the opening for Zave Orbit Private Limited for UX UI design intern again. They have 2 current openings for this role. And MNC Jobs is having another opening of Central Construction Private Limited. They need a UX UI designer for. So these 3 jobs, check and see whether it will be suitable for you and the payment they are providing is okay for you and the location and everything. Check that, and they have the current openings of 9 current job openings here at Central Construction. So check for this. And don't forget to read the roles and responsibilities, see whether it is going to be suitable for you, see whether what kind of tools are required to work on these things before applying for these 3. And coming to the next, Perfect 360 Pace. So this is the company which is providing a UX UI designer position in Bangalore again. So they have their job openings posted on LinkedIn. You can also meet the hiring team and text them if you wanted to connect with them and see what kind of skills that you can provide them. So you can apply through via LinkedIn. And another one is Big Jobs opening. They have it for UX designer. And 2 weeks ago it has been posted. There are over already 100 applicants. Check for and see what kind of preparations you need to do for the interview and submit for it. And the next job openings at Remedio. So that's an entry level opening again. You can check for this. There are 0 applicants for this. So you can try for it. So for each and every jobs which are posted on LinkedIn, check for the hiring team also. If you can write a cover letter to them, or you can what type of service you are providing and how can you be suitable for this particular job role, then it will be easier for them to get into the role. So next is Code Gamma. They have the opening of at UX UI designer at Bangalore again. You can easily apply through it. And the next one is at Newton School. Again, opening of product designers there. There are 0 applicants for this position. You can apply as soon as possible. And next opening is at Kualaba. That's a user experience designer opening. It has been posted just 16 hours ago. You can check for this. And next one is Hunchbite. They have the opening of web designer, and there are already 100 applicants. Check whether your skills are matching to this profile. And the next one is at Childwood. They have the opening of product designer. There are 0 applicants, so you can apply for this. Yeah, that's all for today, and thanks you so much for watching. Hope this video is helpful for you to apply for new jobs, and you can get introduced to new job websites, which will be helpful for you to search more of jobs. And thank you so much. In case if you have any, I'm giving all the links in description, you can check them. In case if you get any doubts regarding the jobs, or you can check their profile, as you can see what type of jobs they have been posted in different websites. Check for their company website and make sure they are eligible, and then post, and then start applying for it. Yeah, thank you. I'll meet you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye.